Welcome to the roast of the week. It's so strange to see the game that Arsenal won 3-1 and I'm not happy with it. And there's a big reason why I'm not happy with it because we misplaced a lot of passes. The midfield was like, come bang me. I mean, it was that open. Yeah, I don't know, man. It was an open garden. Anyone can actually come and eat hay. Anyone could come in and play, and anyone could come in and destroy the grass. That's what was. It was so much open. Granit Xhaka, Thomas Partey. I mean, I know Thomas Partey is coming from an injury, but still, misplaced passes. Odegaard got the goal. I'm pretty much sure a lot of Arsenal fans would not want to give him the stick because he got the first goal. But bro, you're playing Olympiacos. If they would have gotten that chance. Understand, they would have definitely converted it. It's true that they did not. We got the 3 goals, but all the 3 goals were bangers. Were unstoppable. Like there were, and plus there was a couple of mistakes from the keeper as well. But still, hardly he could do anything because the venom on the shots of Odegaard and Elneny was super. But ladies and gentlemen, our passing was shit. First 15 minutes, good. Last 15 minutes, better. In between, fucked up. Between the 60 minutes that we actually played the game, we were fucked up. We literally lost the plot. Everything was shit. Leno. It is first of all very hard for me to support you when a lot of Arsenal fans who would gonna cry about it, hey, Martinez is better than Leno. I want to support you, Leno. Please don't make these mistakes. I'm literally fed up as an Arsenal fan. Fed up as an Arsenal fan to concede, to see my team concede like that almost every game now, man. It's Burnley. We're facing Spurs again. What are we expecting? A rout from Heung-min Son? That would be disgraceful as hell, man. If we lose against Spurs, you know what? Everyone is writing off us against Spurs. I'm not even counting us in against Spurs. To hell with it. But if you are going to be your own enemy, if you're actually going to mess up like that by providing assists, what the hell, man? El Arabi can steal the ball even in a jail. He can steal the ball even if it is guarded by 10 bodyguards. He can do that. He's that kind of. He's so good. And what did you think? Oh, I've got Ceballos nimble feet in front of me, and he's gonna do 2-3 movements, and boom, he's gonna go and take the ball away. Idiot. Leno, I know you're losing hair, but stop. Don't prove everyone that you're losing your brains as well, bro. Stop doing that. Playing out from the back is a problem. Kick it. Take the ball in your own hand. You gave it to El Arabi. El Arabi is like El Kababi. He eats you up. He will eat you up. Burn Leno. Please stop making it difficult for all the Arsenal fans from supporting you and going back to Martinez, Team Martinez. I don't want to go back. I know I won't go back, but please, it's a humble request. Stop shitting yourself in front of goal. Just stop. I think people would want to say there were mixed reactions. Even Martin Keown said that it was a mistake of Leno against Burnley. Xhaka was definitely partly involved in that misdeed as well. But what about tonight? And anyone who comes in and destroys Ceballos for it, I mean, Ceballos shat himself in other movements on the pitch. But Leno, bro, you gotta be better than that. Almost 60% of the fan base believes that you are a good shot stopper. I got a comment today. You're a good shot stopper, but overall you're a shit keeper, man. I was supposed to buy you for a rebuild for a team rebuild in FIFA. I feel ashamed to do that. What the hell, man? For that alone mistake, you should get a downgrade of -2 in your next FIFA year, man. In your next FIFA card. You just need a 2- to realize. Maybe something to hurt you. I don't know, I'm saying hurtful things just to show you how much hurtful I am. Come on, lad. You're much better than that. If it's like no, it's not a game after 4 or 5 games that we made a mistake. It's the bloody next game. We made a big mistake against Burnley. You come up with the same old tactics. Who the hell teaches you this mistake? Who the hell? It can't be fucking scripted for 2 consecutive games. That means if we're going to have a hat-trick of mistakes against Spurs. And David Luiz, what the hell was that? What are you testing Olympiacos players if they can shoot or not? Of course they're crap in front of goal, but don't test it, bro. I've got to warn you, Leno and David Luiz and Dani Ceballos, Martin Odegaard, whoever was shit during the passing. There are a lot of Arsenal fans who are above the age of 70. They might die watching you do that. They might get a heart attack when you make a mistake. I'm not saying you have blood in your hands, but bruv, be careful. Play basic football. Don't play basic mistakeful football. That's all I've got. Cheers. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed the roast of the week, hit that like button, subscribe, and make sure you follow Arsenal Indian Gooner to get all the Arsenal news. Cheers.